So once you have downloaded the app, which of course you have the icon on your phone, all you need to do is to click on it. And after the registration, you'll find out that you have different categories of both Instagram logo, video, Instagram story, posters, and so on and so forth. You have for invitation, business cards, label, photo collage, etc. We're going to concentrate on I want us to concentrate on designing a flyer, which will be, take for instance, the Instagram post. You click on it, and once you click on it, you scroll from the beginning to the end. They have already put in place different templates, food, Instagram post, Instagram post, birthday, summer, and so on and so forth. So whichever one you want to use, you just click on it. So I want us to take this one, which is food Instagram post. Click on it, and once you click on it, it gives you all the layouts, templates, already made templates, which you can scroll down. And if you notice, most of them are free. You look at it here and there, they're all free. Most of them are free. The ones you don't see free on, just know that you need to pay to be able to use that. Well, this one, most of them are free actually. So, and I want to draw your attention to this first one. It's a blank page. Blank page means you want to design from the scratch. All right, you don't want to use any of the templates. You want to design from the scratch. So, but if you're going to use the ready-made templates and you edit it to suit what you want to actually use it for, I want us to click on one here, one of them, anyone, but I'm gonna pick this particular one. You click on it. Once you click on it, you find out that there's edit icon here, this particular place. You just click on it, and it gives you a bigger view of the page. And you walk down here, say tap something to start. What does that mean? If I click on the image here, perhaps I don't like this image. If I click on it, I can actually select any other image from my gallery. I can select any other image from here. You can scroll to get any image from your phone that you have saved. Perhaps the picture of your since we're dealing with food now, the picture of your food items, or maybe you're selling bed sheets, or you are selling some creams, or you are selling a particular product. You need to actually select the image where you saved it in your phone. All right, so once you also click on image, there's an image here. You can see these are like images from Canva gallery. These ones are from Canva gallery, and they are free. some of them are being paid for. Then you can also, sorry about that, you can also come to this part where we have color and select any color you want to use from here. If the color you want to use is not here, you click on this plus, click on plus, and it gives you more options. You can see, they're giving me an advert to upgrade to Canva Pro. Just ignore that. You close up. You don't just